놓아보세요. 자, 그리고 파 놓았어요. We're going to make big square with small rectangles. We need one more. Wow! You made big square. We need red and blue. You put blue and put red. Oh, so we need small square here. Small square. Oh, we need rectangle. And we need one more rectangle to make square. Wow! You made square with small square and small rectangles. 잘했어요. You put blue here. Red rectangle and blue rectangle. Here is a hole in the middle of square, so we need small square. Okay, we need small square. 참 잘했다. 자, look at this. 짠. 짠. We need to make big square. What do we need? Okay, fill in the space. Okay. 짠, 짠. Look at this. Fill in a space. Wow, here's big square. 짠. 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 What do we need to make big square? Okay, fill in a space. Ta-da! 잘했어요.